Alright, y'all. So we're about to make us another counter for our little sublimation room, our craft room. And we got a piece of butcher board right here. So first we got to sand it down. This how it come. Just plain Jane. Get your sandpaper. Your sander block 400 grit. Gonna sand all this down to make it real smooth. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put up some stain on there, some gloss, and that thing gonna be looking good. So watch us work. Alright, y'all, so I put one coat on there. My job done here. Kiara gonna do the rest. I'm not doing nothing else. I quit. So we might just do 2 coats on here. We ain't got no more light in here, but y'all can see what's going on. Then after we put another coat of this on here, we're gonna put that, what you call that stuff? Polyurethane on there. They're gonna make it shine. Let's see, you could get some stain that already got the gloss in there, but we didn't get it.
Did you pour this on here? Because that's how I poured it on here. That's what I want to do.
I didn't pour mine. This her technique, y'all. She like to pour.
Last time I had that roller there.
Yeah, that roller left out them funny liquor boards on there too. So this is gonna be another table for our craft room. We need another table because we got some more machines we gotta get. And we're gonna need somewhere we need to put them at.
I need a hair tie.
So, yep. Making this, what it gonna be? Table number 4? We already got 3 tables up there, so this'll be the 4th one. Alright, y'all, we might do one more coat. We gotta let this dry so it's still wet in that little area right there. But we don't want to make it too thick because you can see like the lines from the wood, the design of the wood. We don't want to cover that up. So we might do one more light coat and then just come back with the gloss. So you can still see the butcher board look still in there. I don't want it to be solid gray. So we're gonna let that dry. We're gonna hit it with another coat. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put the polyurethane on there. Alright, y'all, so we don't let this table dry. Like a good overnight, it dried overnight. So now we got the clear right here. Our polyurethane. And then we're finna get ready to put this clear on now. This gloss, whatever. I don't know what you call it. It's polyurethane, but it's like a clear coat, but it's real thick. So we're gonna put a coat of that on there. And then we're gonna let that dry. I'm sanding it down with some 400 grit sandpaper. Then we're gonna put another coat on there. Then our legs for the table should be here probably by Saturday. I don't think it's gonna be here tomorrow. It just said they ship, but when the legs get here, we'll put the legs on and we'll be done with our table. Y'all can see how that thing shining, man. Then y'all can see every spot she missed.
I ain't missed no spot.
I know it. You see your reflection good right there. But it look like you know what you're doing. Might have to throw you a little tip or something. Get you a little free juicy crab.
I'm gonna get that anyways. These crab right up my ass.
Alright, y'all. So now we're finna take out some 400 grit sandpaper. And we're gonna put this paper on our sanding block. And now that it's dry, we're gonna sand this down. Cause it still got some rough spots in there. So we're gonna do a light sand to get it back smooth, and we're gonna hit it one more time with the polyurethane. And then we'll put the layers on there. We'll be done. So let's go. Alright, so now we're gonna go back and hit it back with the clear again. think this is the last time we're gonna do it. I ain't gonna sand it down no more. Then after this, we'll be done. The lids should be coming in today. We'll show y'all how we put the lids on. Then we'll move this thing on upstairs. Alright, y'all. Lids done came in. Gotta get these things here open. And our table is about to dry too. That's the hardware for our lids. I came with little stands. I don't think those came with these. Alright, that's that.
They did come with it.
She said they did.
I think they on the bottom. We just screwed them all the way in.
I don't remember if we put them on there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know how they got these things in here. Alright, so that's one lid. And this the other leg. And they got screw holes up here for you to mount this thing down. This look like we got more screw holes than the other. So now what we gotta do, we're gonna flip the table around, upside down, and mount these legs, and we'll be back. Alright, so we're gonna put these legs up here, and the way we're gonna center these off, I'm gonna put them 10 inches in. So to make sure I got it straight, I just make sure I'm hitting 10 right here. And I just keep going down, make sure I'm hitting 10. So you just make sure everything line up on 10. That's how we know we got it straight. And we'll do the same thing from that side. And then in the back down here, I think I'm gonna take this. Let's see what we're gonna do with this. We'll take this a little bit up under 3 inches in. And we'll do the same thing for that side. So we got this side straight. So now the thing we gotta do, take this part with here and screw them down. Alright, y'all. So this the final result. See how shiny that thing look? It ain't perfect now, but hey. We ain't perfect. We just doing what we do. Y'all can see how good that look. So now we gotta take it upstairs to our office. That's our table. That's how it came out. Alright, so now we're gonna take it on upstairs.